Hi friends, today I am going to discuss very important topic of English grammar, that is relative pronoun. And in relative pronoun I will discuss the use of that. As you know friend, that many students get it difficult to understand the use of that, and they are also unable to discriminate the use of that with the use of who and which. In this video I will going to create differentiation between that and who, which. So friends, I hope this video will give you so much knowledge and you will enhance your knowledge of English grammar with the help of this video. So friends, without delay, let's start. That relative pronoun that. Actually, that is used at the place of subject and object, and it comes for person, animals and things. Friends, I want to explain each and everything with the help of some examples. Let's see. This is the dog that bites his master. The man that I met yesterday has been found faint. Friends, let's see what is the work of that in this sentence. Here you can see this is that, and in second sentence you can see here that. This is the dog, and the antecedent of that is the dog. Actually friends, you can see here that comes before the main verb bites. So the work of that here in this sentence actually as a subject. In second sentence, the man that I met yesterday has been found faint. Let's see here that, and before that this is the antecedent of that man, and here I, the other subject of the sentence. Actually in this sentence you can see easily the man that I met yesterday. It means the main subject of the sentence is I. The main subject of this sentence is I met yesterday has been found faint. I met the man yesterday has been found faint. So friends, here this that comes at the place of object. It means in first sentence that comes at the place of subject and it is working as a subjective case, but in second sentence you can see here that comes at the place of object and it is in objective case. Friends, let's see some more examples, some more rules about that, where we can use that. Let's see. After superlative degree, After superlative degree we can use that. Let's see some examples to connect the things easily. This is the most beautiful hotel that attracts everyone. That attracts everyone. In this example, this is the most, this is the superlative degree of adjective, and that is here. It comes after its antecedent hotel, and it comes before the main verb. So this that actually comes at the place of subject in this sentence. Let's see some other rules. Actually, relative pronoun that comes there where two antecedent of relative pronoun is given. Two antecedent of relative pronoun are given, and in that antecedent one is a human being and second is an animal or any non-living things, and both the antecedents are connected, are joined with and. Let's see some example. The man and his monkey that I saw yesterday have been found dead. In this example, as I mentioned, that there are two antecedents. First is human beings and second is animals or any non-living things, and both are joined with and. So in this example you can see here is and the man and his monkey. It means number one antecedent the man and number two antecedent this his monkey that I saw. Here that comes at the place of object. Why? Because here I actually comes at the place of main subject, and this I actually does the work of a subject in this sentence. So I can say that in this sentence the man and his monkey that I saw yesterday have been found dead. यहाँ पर दो एंटेसिडेंट हैं, एक द मैन दूसरा हिज मंकी. दो एंटेसिडेंट हैं और दोनों एंड से कनेक्टेड हैं, और इसलिए यहाँ पे दैट रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन दैट का प्रयोग किया गया है. तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये एग्जाम्पल आपको समझ में आया होगा. लेट्स सी सम मोर रूल्स एंड ट्राई टू कनेक्ट विद द रूल्स ऑफ रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. There I am going to write a formula, a trick. You can see here it plus be. It means is, am, are, was and were plus any noun. So friends, let's see. It is the person. It is PM that it is the PM that has taken a bold decision. It is the PM that has taken a bold decision. Let's see here. It is means be form, and the PM is a noun, because PM is in abbreviated form, so we use definite article the before it. And this that, actually that comes at the place of subject, because after this you can see there is has an auxiliary verb. So friends, you can see here, this is very unique and good idea to recognize the things related to the use of that. Let's see some more examples. It is the person that helps him very much. Here you can see that this is the person, the antecedent of that, and the structure it is. And here you can see after that this is a main verb, so this that actually comes at the place of subject. So friends, I hope you understand what I am trying to show you. And the next rule, it plus be, it means is, am, are, was and were, plus any pronoun. Let's see some examples. It is you that help him in his needs. Friends, you can see here it is you. You is a pronoun, personal pronoun, second person, personal pronoun. And after that you can see here the use of relative pronoun that. And here help is the main verb, so it shows that this that actually comes at the place of subject. Let's see some more examples to connect the things easily, that you can use it according your own interest in the sentence, according your own needs in the sentence. So let's see some more example. It is she that does the work of painting. It is she that does the work of painting. Here you can see it is she. She is a personal pronoun of third person, and that comes at the place of subject, because of here you can see does the main verb. So we can say that relative pronoun that actually used to show the relationship in some certain rules. And the last one I want to tell you that relative pronoun that cannot be used in possessive case. If it is very need to use possessive case of that, we can use whose and of which according to the antecedent of the sentence. It means if there is a human beings, that time we can use whose at the place of that, and if there is a non-living things or any animals, that time we can use of which at the place of that, because there is no possessive form of relative pronoun that. So friends, I hope this video will give you so much information to know the real use of relative pronoun that. And after completing this video, I hope now you are able to create difference between use of that with who and which. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Thank you.